Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Chase Ultimate rewards for flights. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now in order to actually use our Chase Ultimate rewards for flights, we must first head over to the Chase website and then head over to the Ultimate rewards page. From there it should look similar to what's on screen now, and we can simply log into our account. To do that, you come over to this bit that says welcome, and you can just put in your username and password and then click sign in. From there, it should look something like this with a whole bunch of different options for you to spend your points. However, since we're trying to use it for flights, we want to go to the travel section and then we can choose flights. And from there, we can actually choose where we're coming from, where we're going to, and also our depart and return date. From there, you just want to go ahead and click search and start looking for different flights. Once you've actually chosen a flight that you like and that works with you, you can simply go to checkout, and when it comes down to the price summary, they actually allow you to use your points. And from here you can choose to use your points, and as you can see here, 20,870 points will give you a $313 discount. So you can choose how many points you want to spend for this flight. From there you can just fill out the rest of the details that they are asking from you, and then you can complete the purchase. And after you've done that, you will have successfully used your Chase Ultimate rewards for flights. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.